In Kenya, there are several types of houses you can invest in. If you are more of the affordable side, you can invest in a small mansion or a small bungalows, and those ones are found in all the suburbs around towns. If you want such a unit, you need to call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment. But if you are more of a high middle class or the high class, you can invest in a high-rise apartment, a townhouse, a big villa, or a mega mansion. Today we are in one of the high-rise apartments in Kilimani. The quality is excellent and the views are endless. I'll take you inside and you'll see what the developer has done. This development comes with apartments starting from 1 bedroom all the way to the 3 bedrooms. The 1 bedrooms have a print area starting from 65 square meters and the prices are starting from 7.15 million Kenya shillings. The 2 bedrooms have a print area starting from 96 square meters and the prices are starting from 10.8 million Kenya shillings. And the 3 bedrooms like this one have a print area starting from 135 square meters and the prices are starting from 14.8 million Kenya shillings. This is the show house of the 3 bedroom units and it has been done very well. Starting from this side, you have your focal point or your TV area, and this is where you are supposed to do your electronics. Behind it, you are getting an extra storage that would be very ample for your decorations. As you can see, the living room would easily fit an 8-seater couch like this one, and behind it, we get the dining area. Let me take you to the entrance and you'll see what this unit comes with. From the entrance, you get a high-quality door that comes with a smart lock, and it can be accessed through a fingerprint, a password, a key, or a card. You are also getting intercom in these units, and on this other side, you have a small cabinetry where you can do some shoes down there, and you can also hang your coat. On my right hand side, you get a small laundry area which is big enough to fit a washer and a dryer. Later in the video, I'll take you to a totally different development done by a different developer, and you'll be able to compare the quality of this 3-bedroom unit to the 2 bedrooms unit that we will see in that development. If you would want to purchase any of them, our numbers will be attached down here in the screen or in the first comment. The kitchen is on my left hand side. We will see that in a minute. Right now we are at the dining space, and it is a 6-seater dining set. But if extended to that side and on the other side, the space would easily fit an 8-seater dining table. The kitchen is here as I mentioned, and next to it you have the employee quarters. In this development you have an option of having a smaller kitchen and an employee quarters, or if you like a bigger kitchen, you can get rid of the employee quarters and have a massive kitchen up to that end. The kitchen comes fully fitted. You have your washing area on my right hand side, and on my far front, that's where you do your refrigerator. You are also getting lower and upper cabinetry to give you enough storage. As I mentioned earlier, this is the employee quarter, and it is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Behind me, you have the common washroom. It has been done very well, and it comes with all the fixtures that you may want. On my far front, you have a vanity. At the center, you have a WC, and behind me, you have a shower cubicle. The first bedroom is on my left hand side. Let's see it. From there, you can agree with me that this is a big bedroom to be the smallest in this unit, and it would easily fit your guests or maybe your small children. It comes with a space big enough to fit a 5x6 bed like this one. You are still getting some spaces for the side drawers, and the closet is here. It has been partitioned very well, floor to ceiling, and you are getting a set of 4 drawers. From the guest bedroom, let's see the other 2 bedrooms on this other wing. At the entrance of the second bedroom, you have the bathroom. It has been done very well and it is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the first bedroom. The sleeping space is slightly bigger. You are getting a floor-to-ceiling closet. This space would be ample for your teenagers, and on the other side, you are getting a massive window which will give you enough natural light. At the entrance of the primary bedroom, you are welcomed by this beautiful painting, and it is improving the vibe of this bedroom. You are also getting a small foyer to give you a good glimpse of how big this bedroom is. The space is big enough to fit a king-size bed like this one. If you would want to do a custom bed, the space is very ample. On my right hand side, you get a mini walk-in closet, and next to it, you have the master of the primary bathroom. This bathroom is the biggest and it gives you an enough space for you and your partner. This is the only bedroom that gets a balcony. Let's see it. The primary balcony is huge and it is giving you a northern view, and on this other side you can get the eastern view. Kilimani is very, very beautiful. Right now, we are in another development that is a kilometer away from where we were to see the 3-bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom. The prices in this development are starting from 7 million for a 1-bedroom unit, 7.8 million for a 2-bedroom unit, and 11.9 for a 3-bedroom unit. This is the main entrance, and it comes with a smart door, and it welcomes you to the kitchen of this 2-bedroom unit. The kitchen comes fully fitted, done excellently. I'm loving the finishing of this cabinetry. The dining space is an extension of the kitchen, big enough to fit a 4-seater dining set like this one. This development is targeting the investors or small families who want to do B&Bs, if you want to do some rentals, or maybe if you have a hotel. The dining space is welcoming us to the living room, done very, very well. I'm loving the finishes. The walls have been done very well. The ceiling heights are nice. I'm loving the strip light. And if you would want to do a pre-purchase inspection before you purchase such a unit, make sure to call us in the number attached in the first comment. On my left hand side, you have a space that has been reserved for your electronics. Comparing this to what we saw in the 3-bedroom, you would say that this one is significantly smaller. Right now, we are at the balcony, and you are getting 2 meters worth of a balcony, and this would give you enough aeration to this 2-bedroom unit. On my right hand side, you have a Bolesi heat pump, and this will supply the whole unit with heated water. Into the first bedroom, this is the smallest, and it has hidden curtain rails. This is a good concept. I'm loving the finishing of the walls. The paint is very posh and it feels like so. On my far front, you have your closet, floor to ceiling, partitioned very well and giving you extra spaces on my left hand side for your affordable clothes. Where the cameraman is, you have the bathroom. We'll see that in a minute. What I want you to see is this space that has been reserved for you to do paintings like these ones. This is the smallest bathroom in this unit, and as you can see, I can fit very well. I'm a tall person, not very wide, but even a wider person would actually fit in this bathroom. You are also getting a WC, and behind me you have a wash basin. From the first bedroom, you have a common washroom here, and this one is targeting your guests. Let's see the primary bedroom. Follow me, follow me. In this unit, the primary bedroom is the biggest, but when you compare it to the primary bedroom that we saw in the 3-bedroom unit in the other development, you would say that this one is slightly smaller. As much as the price is also low, your preferences will help you determine which unit you take. On this side, you can see the closet is flush with the wall. I'm loving this concept. The closet is floor to ceiling. The partitionings are excellent. A big window is on this side to give you enough natural light. The headboard has been done excellently, and you would actually do a 6x6 bed in this bedroom. The primary bathroom comes with a vanity, a mirror that comes with some compartments for your toiletries. You have a WC at the center, and the shower cubicle is on my far right. You are also getting a double towel holder. Given the prices of the 2 bedrooms are starting from 7.8 million Kenya shillings, this would be an excellent purchase. If you would want to have one, make sure you call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment. And as always, we will show you several more. You'll do a proper comparison, and as African real estate, we'll make sure you get the best choice. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one.